Hey Kelly, it's Watson here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. We've been talking about this beautiful GLE 53 and I wanted to give you a little walk around in this vehicle. Okay, so what we're looking at today is the brand new 2022 GLE 53 Coupe 4-door. Now this was ordered in the polar white with the black exclusive Nappa leather with diamond stitching. That interior is a $5,000 upgrade, and it's the beautiful super soft Nappa leather. You'll notice the camera's coming around on the wheels portion. Those are the 21-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels with the black accent, so it really mates up nicely with what's going on with this sort of theme here, which is the black and white theme. So we also have the night package, which is running around. You get the black mirrors, the black trim, the black wheels. So you really got a nice theme going. People really love their 53 Coupes because it's a stylistically sleek vehicle. Still got all the capabilities of an SUV, and it has the 4MATIC system, so you can go anywhere, anytime. And this particular car was ordered with a lot of features. The driver's assistance package, the parking assistance package. It's also got the warmth and comfort package, and also the acoustic comfort package, which gives it a special infrared glass and extra padding to keep it very, very quiet inside the vehicle, and a whole load of other options as well. This is one of the most highly equipped 53s that I've seen in a while. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, so now the camera's going to get a close look at this beautiful interior. As I mentioned before, this is the exclusive Nappa leather with the diamond stitching. So it's got a nice pattern. Now this is all mated up with the black trim. They call that the natural grain black wood trim, which was an upgrade. Up above, you've got the gigantic oversized panoramic roof to lighten up that darker interior. Of course, the dual 12.3-inch screens up front. And this AMG model not only has a nice power plant, but it also has the performance exhaust to give it a throaty sound on the road. So you can really enjoy the sporty SUV year-round, all different conditions. I really loved showing you around today on this beautiful vehicle. If you have any questions, give me a call. Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-510-2284.